everybody. Today I want to talk to you about a little application called, I believe it's called FUD for this, oh no, not FUD, FIG. And it's a sort of a GUI utility for the terminal. Let me explain. So if we start the terminal, here, let me go back. Start the terminal here, and let's say we want to CD into this USA Bocce folder that I have on my desktop. Usually, to remember a path to a folder that I haven't used before, I would need to drag it onto the type open and then drag it onto the terminal so that it's just pasted in there. That works if the folder GUI icon is available right away, but with FIG, you can do this. Simply CD and then start typing anything where you want to go. Desktop, and here it is, desktop. Now you get other options. So USA Bocce, there we go. And then you're in. And that's the awesome, I call it the GUI utility for FIG, for the terminal, and it's called FIG. It's a rather handy utility that you can simply install by doing another brew install. Brew install. Let's do and see here, it does the same thing. Install FIG, and boom, you have it. But obviously I'm not going to do that because I already have it installed. It's a great little utility that allows you to navigate the terminal pretty easily. Here are some of the preferences that I have set. If I go into settings, I have this is the only one or only two that I have installed or running, not installed. They're all installed when you install the application, but this is the only two that I have running, which is launch at start, and the preferred terminal is iTerm2. And it does have billing and plans, but I don't use those. I use it for an individual is my current plan. Excuse me. And apparently there are more features if you sign up for the Pro plan, but obviously I don't want another monthly fee. So that's the only bad thing. I'm still a little unsure of what all these features will help you with. But anyway, FIG is a cool little terminal utility that has additional features if you pay for the Pro plan, but for the most part, you can run it free of charge on the terminal that you have already installed. If you want the additional features, you can pay for the Pro plan, but that's not what I have as of now. It has, I don't even think I've done much with my profile. Yeah, but that's all there is there. I think the only integration I've done is iTerm 2. It's turned on for all the other ones, but I've only used iTerm 2 with Fig, and as you saw a little earlier, it's works pretty well. And I can go back in the CD and go back to my home folder, and it does everything just fine. And I can still run my aliases, like my site, and it goes there just fine. So nothing interferes. It just helps you remember your folder paths without you having to remember what to type, because it gives you options. So that's Fig. And anyway, guys, I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and comment my channel. And I'll see you all in the next video.